Everyone, it's Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to watch your saved video clips on your Tesla. So for you got Sentry Mode or your dash cam, you can just go to this three little dots, and then you go to dash cam right here. So a lot of times I just go to my apps and I drag it down here, and I can just tap it down here. But let's go to dash cam right here and open this up. So I'm going to unselect this and just open it up. When you go to your dash cam, you can see all your different video clips. So you can see this was recording when I walked away. I thought I had this turned off at home. There's me just walking away, and then I can stop and go to the top left, and I can see all the different options for all, saved, or Sentry. So when you manually save it, when you tap on the screen, or if you honk the horn, you can manually save it for your dash cam, or here's Sentry Mode. Maybe that's what was happening before. Sentry Mode doesn't look like it, but we can go to Aware, Handle, Panic, Saved, Manual Save, Honk, Emergency Brake, or All. So, not sure what is saved. What was this saved here? I didn't see that saved anywhere, but you can scroll through here. And if there is an event or something like that, you can jump directly to the event. You can switch to the different cameras. Front, left, right, etc. Gives you a full view of everything that's going on. All the data collection here. So you can go to the options too, down here, controls. So if you ever want to save it, you can just tap it right here when it's recording, and it'll save it. So this is paused, because I don't allow it to save at home, because I'm on mobile charger. I guess I just want to charge it a little bit faster. But we can put on Sentry Mode right here, and then dash cam will be right here. Just tap it right there and we'll save it. So Sentry Mode is active, and we can scroll on down to safety right here, and you can see I have Sentry Mode excluded at home. So we can go through the different options, make sure auto and honk on, and then we can format the USB for our video clips. I don't think it rewrites anything, so you have to come in here and format it. And on my Tesla, all you have to do is open up the glove box, and there's a small USB you can plug into your computer if you want to watch them too. So you just unplug that right there. You can delete your video clips there. But yeah, go ahead and just check it out. Go to your dash cam, start viewing your clips, and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.